Hey, guess what we got for you? We've got the new Ninja 1000 SX. Hey, guess what we got for you? We've got the new Ninja 1000 SX, brand new 2020 model, full of updated features. Probably the main one is a couple of main ones actually, so there isn't one main one. 4 into 2 into one pipe, so you don't have those two exhausts hanging out. You've got the one. It's got the new TFT dash, Bluetooth connectivity, full adjustability, lean angles, rider modes, gear indicators, all that stuff. Cruise control as standard, quick shift as standard, Kawasaki quick shift as standard. Like, all this stuff for a bike under 20 grand. Sweet, 20,000 Australian that is. All LED lights, indicators. Can't even see the front indicators. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Right there. High beamer, mate.
Have a look at the throttle control.
Let's have a look at the throttle control.
That's on throttle control now.
Yep.
Changes there. Or you go on to brake, and it'll show you how much braking you're doing.
How sick is that?
There you got your showing how much
where your weight distribution is. Your lean angle there, see that when you move it, pick her up.
And then you go to your power modes. So you select power, low or high, select again, down to traction control, select again, and then you can go your traction control 1, 2, 3. And everybody rides full power traction control.
Who needs traction control?
There we go, ready to go.
Let's go. Give her a rev, Dino.
Sounds completely different in the 4 and 1.
Yeah. It's got Bridgestone Battle Axe S22 tyres, Hypersport tyres on it, so nice and sticky tyres, some really good sports touring tyres there. Full slipper clutch assist, adjustable screen. How many adjustments that got?
4, I think.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
The old model was 3.
3 was it? Lower, yep. So 4. Start, of course, cruise control, yeah, full connectivity to your phone. Run your TFT dash through your Bluetooth on your phone. You can see your ride modes. You can change all your ride modes on your phone before you go for a ride. You've got all your ride, everything on your phone. You can do all that sort of stuff there as well. Oh,
Bloopers.
I forget some shit. You got the new padded seat. Nice thick padded seat, integrated rider modes, and these things are only 235 kilos wet, ready to go. That's with the 19 litres of fuel, 235 kilos, so they're nice and lightweight, just awesome. I can't wait to go for a ride on this thing. I'll do a video on that soon, but yeah, we've got that. What else has she got? What else has it got? 19 litre tank, I got that right, 235 kilos. Oh, electronic cruise control, measurement unit. So it knows where the bike is, what angles and so on. front to back, side to side, aids in cornering, and with the traction control and so on, it all works together. So basically, so the bike can go around corners quicker with you on it and smoother. Mate, just an awesome bike. I don't even know what I've said or what I've missed. Get in and have a ride of this thing. I haven't ridden it yet, so I can't tell you how good it is. But I've got last year's behind it. So if you have a look at the two bikes, this is a 2020. They call this the 1000 SX. I think it's been the SX in the US for years. And the Ninja 1000, which is last year's. But even if you have a quick look, Dean, even the seat, look at the rear seat, the differences in that. With those guys, the pipes. Can't say I was a big fan of those pipes, but you know, the indicators all full LED. Don't show too much of that shit, that's old news. The front end looks pretty similar. Indicators are different. $142 horsepower. Or 104.5 kilowatts at 142 horsepower and 111 newton meters of torque, which is fantastic. Same mirrors as last year. I don't know, I just want to go for a ride. Let's go. So that's the 2020 Ninja 1000 SX, just here in Australia. We've already sold the black one. This is the green. I'll show you a picture of the black and red one. Sick looking bit of gear. Come and have a ride with us up here. Where are we? Maroochydore on the Sunshine Coast. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.
A good cameraman would come and help you, but a cameraman's not supposed to be there. They're just holding the camera.
Cameraman never fucking shuts up, though.
Fuck up.
Everything on your phone, you can do all that sort of stuff there as well.
Bloopers.
You've got the inertia, the IMU. I didn't even write that down, I just remembered that. IMU inertia unit measurement, which fucking I don't even know what that does. What does that do, Dean? What's it do? Real-time picture of chassis orientation, so it knows where it's at. That's right.
When you're going around the corners.
We'll do that again. We'll cut that. So it's got Bosch IMU, which is the inertia movement thing.
So you can go around corners good.
So, fuck. We have to have a bloopers roll with this shit. Inertia measurement unit. So it knows, that's an awesome bike. I don't even know what I've said or what I've missed.